Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we've got a helpful guide for all you Blink camera users out there. If you're having issues or just want to start fresh, we'll show you how to reset your Blink camera. So, let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our tech tutorials and reviews. Now, let's reset that Blink camera. Step 1. Locate the reset button. The first step is to find the reset button on your Blink camera. It's usually a small button located either on the bottom or the back of the device. Check your camera's manual if you're having trouble locating it. Step 2. Press and hold the reset button. Once you've found the reset button, press and hold it down. You'll want to keep it pressed for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action will initiate the reset process. Step 3. Wait for LED indicator. While holding the reset button, keep an eye on the LED indicator on your Blink camera. It might start blinking rapidly, indicating that the reset process is underway. 4. Release the reset button. Once you see the rapid blinking or notice any other reset indication, go ahead and release the reset button. Your Blink camera is now resetting itself to its default settings. Step 5. Reconnect to your Blink app. After the reset is complete, open the Blink app on your smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect your camera to the app. This step is crucial for re-establishing communication between your camera and the Blink system. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Resetting your Blink camera is a simple process that can help troubleshoot issues or start fresh with your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions.